Hi, my name is Dee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to map categories in supplier catalogs to the corresponding categories in Oracle Fusion Self-Service Procurement. We begin by navigating to the Catalogs work area. The Task panel lists all of the catalog management tasks that you can perform. We'll select the Manage Supplier Content Map Sets task. I'll create a map set. The Procurement Business Unit is selected for us. We'll enter a map set name and description. We will also set this map set as a default for the Procurement Business Unit and OK the confirmation message. Since we set this map set to be a default for the Procurement Business Unit, notice that there's a tick mark in the default for Procurement column. We'll create a category map for this map set. The ADF Desktop Integrator is a prerequisite for creating a category map and can be installed from the Tools section of the Navigator menu. To start, I'll select the category map. I have to log in using the same credentials I used to log into the application. Once I sign in, the mapping file spreadsheet appears. The external category column corresponds to the category names from the supplier. In this case, I'll enter A4 size printer paper. Notice that the key field is automatically populated. The internal category column corresponds to the existing values used in self-service procurement. I'll double-click in this cell and select Office Supplies as the internal category. This completes adding one row. I'll add 3 more items to the category map. To insert a row, I'll select the next row, right-click, and select Insert. This is the same as inserting a row in Excel. Similarly, I will add A5 size printer paper as the external category, and will use the same internal category, Office Supplies. I'll add 2 more rows, this time for A4 size and A5 size copier paper. I'll use the same internal category, Office Supplies, and finally, we'll upload the mappings. I'll accept the default settings for the upload. The status column shows that the mapping data was uploaded successfully. Now let's see how to delete an entry from the 4 entries we created. To delete, we need to download the data first. Once the download is complete, the status column is blank. I'll delete the last row. To do this, I'll double-click in the Mark for Deletion column. Note that a bullet item appears in the Mark for Deletion column. Now we'll upload, and the row is deleted. I'll close the spreadsheet. Note that we can save the spreadsheet to our local desktop. For now, I will not save the spreadsheet. Using the same process as shown before, we can edit a map after it's been created. For example, here I've added a new entry to my map. I'll upload it now. Once again, I'll accept the default upload options. Oh no! The status says the insert failed. The status viewer gives the details of the failure. I accidentally created a duplicate entry. I'll correct the external category name and click Upload again. The row is inserted successfully. And that's it. Thank you for watching.